How to use MT5 and Pocket Option. First things first is you're going to go ahead and access MetaTrader 5 via web version, mobile apps for Android or iOS, or desktop terminal for full feature functionality. Now to get started, of course, create a Pocket Option account, select MT5 in the trading platform options, and then just simply choose on any asset to set up your charts, indicators, and leverage. Use trading bots or copy trading tools to automate decisions. So this is going to be the demo picture that what it should look like during the Pocket Option homepage. Now afterwards, they also have the specific popular charts, which is going to be for line, bar, and Japanese candlesticks. They also have a analytical tools that you can try to do, and then to set it up, just simply create a Pocket Option account. Determine whether you're going to be using the web version, the mobile app, or via the desktop terminal for full feature coverage. So again, choose an asset and set up charts, indicators, and leverage, and then just simply use the trading bots or copy trading tools to automate decisions. And that is how you use MT5 and Pocket Option.